everyone. In the previous unit, we learned about the simple past and the present perfect tense. In this unit, you are going to learn about how to tell them apart, how to know when to use each one correctly. Don't worry, the rules may look complicated, but they actually make sense once you understand the logic. So you can remember just one question when you tell them apart if you have to use simple past or present perfect tense. One question you can ask yourself, does this activity have connection to the present? If it's yes, you have to use present perfect tense. If it's no, you have to use simple past because we know that we use simple past when something happened in the past and finished in the past. Like she lived in the United States for 14 years. Does this mean she still lives in the United States? No, because it's she lived. Past tense, simple past. That means the activity living in the United States finished in the past. So it's a simple past. But when we use present perfect tense, like she has lived in the United States for more than 14 years, so we learn about the for duration of an activity and since for a starting point of an activity. Yeah, we learn about that when we learn about present perfect tense. So in this sentence, does it mean she still lives in United States? Yes, she's still living in the United States, right? And with the past time expression like in 2007, yesterday, last week, last month, yeah, those are specific time expressions, so we have to use with the simple past. And when we talk about something happened in an indefinite time in the past, we use present perfect tense to express something happened in an indefinite time when we want to express about our experiences. I have lived in Japan, right? And with the time period, like this morning, this month, this year, many times, 3 times, or today, those time experience, if it's finished, time period is in the past, we can use simple past. Her friend called 3 times yesterday. Yeah, in the moment of speaking is today, so yesterday stays in the past. So we have to use simple past. Like right now is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I can also use simple past with the expression time expression in the morning, right? Because the morning time period finished in the past. Her friends called 3 times in the morning, right? With the unfinished time, like today, this year, yeah, this month, yeah, we can use present perfect tense. Her friend has called 3 times today. Today isn't finished, and it's possible that she will call again. Let's check our understanding with next slide with the sentences with a past time expression. First, past time expression, specific time expression, last night. So this sentence is wrong because we cannot use present perfect tense with the simple past tense. I have seen that movie last night. That's wrong sentence. Hence, I have seen that movie. Yeah, we want to express our experience. Or we can use simple past. I saw that movie last night with the specific time expression last night, right? And let's take a look at she has visited Korea in 2018. So in 2018, specific time expression, so we cannot use with present perfect tense. We have to drop the in 2018. So we talk about the activity that happened in an indefinite time in the past. Yeah, we want to let other people know, oh, I have experience visiting Korea. Yeah, yes, she has visited Korea, present perfect tense. And also with specific time expression, simple past, visited. Yeah, simple past tense. And another one, when we were students. Those are also can be specific past time expressions, right? When I was a student, when I was young, or when I was a kid, when I was a child. Those are dependent class with a subordinate conjunction when. Those are also past time expression. So you cannot use with present perfect tense. You can either change this subordinate conjunction when into since. Since is we learn about since, we can talk about starting point of an action. Starting point of action is since we were student. That's starting point of an action. So we can use present perfect tense. We have lived there since we were student. And with a simple past, we can use specific time expression. When we were student. We lived there when we were student. I hope this video helped you understand how to tell them apart, simple past or present perfect tense. I put up some materials, extra materials that you can go over and study for those exercises before you take the quiz. Good luck. Bye.